Welcome to King Tech Unit channel. Here we can see in the next session, the next part in designing the torque on bush, how to design in belt conveyor design. It will be needed the torque on bush, and next is a torque on. Here how to draw. Open SolidWorks. Hmm. Open the SolidWorks and go to File, select New Part. Okay. Here we can select a new part. Okay, and select the right plane. Okay, select extrude boss base, draw one circle. Okay, draw one circle, click right click, give the smart dimension. What are the dimensions? Outer is a 28, inner is a 14. Okay, then we can extrude firstly 28 up to 10 mm. Okay, 28 diameter, extrude up to 28 mm. Okay, and then extrude, then we can extrude it. Exit this sketch, extrude and select the mid plane. Okay, select mid plane, extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, click right click. Okay, again select the whole visa. Okay, select the whole visa, simple hole, that is a hole is a 14 mm up to 10 mm, extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, this 14 mm, depth will be 10. No, depth will be 10. Okay, select right click, face, firstly face. Okay? Select this face, make center. Okay, right click, the hole will generate it. Okay, and here go to extrude cut, select this face, draw one circle, extruded cut diameter is 20. Okay, here go to here, draw one circle, give the diameter 20. Okay, click right click. Okay, exit this sketch, extruded cut, flip side cut up to 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4, we can keep blind because we need one sided. Okay, 6 mm. Okay, make a right click. Okay, and here give the micro chamfer. Okay, we can give a chamfer, that is 0.5. Okay, give here one, here one, and here one. Okay, and the inside one, and here inside one also. No, face, delete this face, this inside. Okay, make right click and give here the material, that is a bush, brass bush. Here this is steel, we can go in other metals, in other alloys. Okay, magnesium no, zinc alloy no, titanium no, copper, it is brass. Okay, we can apply brass. Okay, close it. This is a brass bush, and save as a control process. Make it as in SolidWorks models. Okay, in SolidWorks. Okay, in Kiran Solid, in belt conveyor, dry unit, save as a caps lock, brush, bush, save. Okay, we can draw a new part that is called a torque arm. Here the outer radius of here, first we can draw the radius 55 and the radius 50 and make it a tangent, and 130 tangent lines are there, and the total distance between this circle and this circle, center to center is 135, outer is 250, that is center 135. Okay, that is the radius 55, that is 110 diameter and 50 diameter. Okay, here select extrude boss base, select front plane, draw two circle, one circle is here one and another is here. Okay, give the smart dimensions. Here is a 110 diameter. Okay, and here is a 50. Okay, and give the both center to center distance, that is 135. Okay, and make it a horizontal, both are, escape it, smart dimension, close it, make the center of this axis, make it horizontal. Okay, and here make a line, to select line, and here to draw outside of the circle. Okay, again select line and draw here outside the longest way. Okay, we can make a tangent. Here select this line and this circle, make tangent. Okay, this line, this circle, make a tangent. Okay, this circle, this line, make a tangent. Okay, this line and this circle, make a tangent. Okay, and go here, trim entities, and trim this one. Extra portion will be trim it, not needed portion will be trim it. Okay, inside this one, here one, and here also. Okay, it will be created like that. Make it right click and exit the sketch and extrude up to thickness will be thickness of this 6 mm. Okay, thickness will be here given is 6 mm. Go in SOLIDWORKS and extrude up to 6 mm. Okay, make it right click. Yes, here we can made 1 and 2 holes, that is the inside hole diameter is how we can take it, that is take it a 94, and it is 8 into 7 through. Okay, and it is 50, it is take it a 20. Okay, select hole wizard and select make it 20, make this face, select this position, select this face, here center. Okay, make it hole. Okay, again hole wizard, select 80. Okay, 80 and select position, this face, and here one. Okay, make it right click. Okay, and again one hole 7 through. Okay, 7, simple. Okay, position, select this face and here one. Okay, here one. Okay, and give the PCD of this circle, PCD of this smart dimension, give this one is a 94. Okay, 94, and make it for construction, this line for construction. Okay, and this point and this point make a vertical. Okay, click, right click. Okay, we can create it and select a circular pattern, feature to be a circular. Select this hole and direction about this circle 8 into, okay, we need 8 holes. Make it, right click. Okay, and give here a chamfer one. Here not a chamfer, we can give the material that is ms. Assign the material that is alloy carbon steel. Okay, here is a cold roller. Apply, close it. Okay, control plus s, save it as torque arm. Make it caps lock, torque arm. Okay, save it. Thank you.